You see that blue that's right there? That's reflecting from this up into that. So there's a principle. I don't use it very much, but it's actually happening right here. And that is called the conservation of values. That you, it's another way of saying we just don't want too many value shifts. The more value shifts you have, the more complicated your painting and confusing your painting can be. So the question is, how do you make a form turn, move away from you, especially if you don't want another value shift there to muddle things up? Well, you can do it with color, and you can make a form turn up to, I've heard 40%. You can make it bend 40% just by changing the color. And so that's what's actually happening here. By making this blue here, it makes it look like that form is turning around, turning into the blue here and reflecting that color. So I'm going to throw a little bit of blue over in here too, just for this same reason, just for a little bit of fun on that. And I'm going to just drop it in. I don't stroke it hardly, because if I stroke it, it's going to turn into mud real quick.